Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, a swatch, a try on, and a review on the Revolution Makeup Revolution London Game of Thrones. I've been wanting this palette for a while, so let's go ahead and start this video. It does have this protection film on the outside of the palette. In the back it says Revolution Makeup Revolution London Forever Flawless Three-Eyed Raven. Looking at these are the colors that I usually wear for everyday makeup, so I'm excited for this one. Look at that, guys. I was swatching them and they swatched very nice. No big fallout from any of them. Of course there's some fallout here and there, but not something super big. Okay guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? I really like this palette. I think the colors are very pretty, very neutral. You can do a lot of things with them. The packaging is really cute. I like how they have the tin, the raven feathers here, Game of Thrones of course. I really have to say that I give this palette a 5 out of 5. This brings us to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, leave them down below. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye guys.